everyone, today we'll see how to make a website in a quick and easy way. So first of all, let us open Visual Studio 2017 Community version, which we installed in the previous video. Yeah, now it's open. First of all, you'll see a start page here. Okay, but to begin with, let us go to File menu, click on New and then Project. Now you have to choose the language in which you want to make your project. There are a lot of options available in Visual Studio like C++, C Sharp, F Sharp and many other options. But today I use Visual C Sharp. Now under Visual C Sharp option, it's your choice whether you want to work in .NET Core or .NET Standard Framework. There are many other options available there. You have to choose if you want to work in Windows Forms app or class libraries or web application. I choose ASP.NET Web Application. You can also change its name and location. For now, I'm changing its name to My App 123, and we can also change its location. For that, click on the Browse button there and choose the location. I'm gonna save it on desktop for easy access. After that, you'll see two checkboxes here. You can check mark these checkboxes and then click on the OK button. Next window allows you to choose the template on which you want to work. The first one is the empty template. It allows you to design your template according to your choice by adding contents in it. Next is the web forms. It provides you a pre-designed template in which you can simply drag and drop the contents according to your choice and make quick and powerful user interfaces. Next is an MVC, that is the Multi-View Controller Architecture. Now, an ASP.NET MVC allows you to develop the applications using latest standards. In Web API, you can create HTTP services. Next is the single page application. It provides the client-side interactions using HTML, JavaScript or CSS. The last option given here is the Microsoft Azure API. It's a kind of application programming interface that uses cloud services. For now, I'm gonna choose Web Forms because I want a predefined template. You can also select empty template, but according to me, Web Forms is the best. So click on it and then click OK. It's processing now. It may take a few seconds. Yay, it's done. Now let us familiar with the options available in this window. Just like the Solution Explorer, Properties, Menu Toolbar and so on. In the top left of the screen, you'll see a Solution Explorer pane there. After that, on the above side, there is a menu bar containing a lot of menus like File menu, and below that there are some icons for the tools. First of all, let us see what is Solution Explorer. Now this task pane provides you with the list of web pages and the master pages or the web config files available in your website, or the new web pages that you made are all listed in the Solution Explorer. Another important one is the Properties window. In the Properties window, you can set the height, width, color, CSS class or any other property by using this window very easily. And if you are unable to see this on your screen, simply go to View menu and then click on the option that you want to see, just like Solution Explorer, Server Explorer or the Properties window. Just like I choose Toolbox now. There are many kind of tools available in this Toolbox window which you can use to customize your web pages. But I will explain about all these tools in detail in my next video. For now, let us move forward. Here, you must notice a lot of lines written in the HTML code here. You can see these lines from the below three options, that is design, split and source. If you click on the source button, then the HTML code can be seen. If you click on the design button, a canvas is displayed which you can design according to your imagination by simply dragging and dropping the tools from the toolbox. And if you want to see your code and canvas on the same screen, then you can click on the split button. This option allows you to work on the design and see its code both at the same time. To run the web application on the web browser, simply go to Debug menu and then click on Start Without Debugging. I do this to give you guys an overview of how my template looks like that I choose in the web form, so that we may have an overview in our mind that how we can add and edit the document before developing. It may take a few seconds to run in the web browser, and here it is. As you see that the template is already designed in a proper format. I don't need to add buttons or give headings, give divisions for different sections, change their size, color, nothing. Everything is pre-designed in this template. And also the links. I just need to click there and I jump to the different pages just like this. If I click on About and Contact, I jump to those specified pages. Now let's see how we can code this in the web application. For that, let's minimize this browser window and come to the Microsoft Visual Studio window. Here, as a beginner, you may not understand the blah blah code written here. So, just follow what I do. Simply click on the About Us page and click on the Design option. You see something written there. Just click on it and start typing your own content. For reference purpose, I choose my channel's name. So I write "It's That Easy" there and then put some other content in the About Us page that I want to show, just like the address or contact or anything else. You can also give a brief description about your page or website. You're guessing right, I'm writing the description of my channel here. It's That Easy provides video tutorials for tons of courses related to, you all know about it, computer, English speaking, IELTS, art and craft, and design and development courses. When you're done editing, click Ctrl S for saving your changes and move towards the next page. Now I click on the Contact Us page, and the same way I do cancel the previous written things and edit my own things. Yes, now click Control S. Now I'm gonna show you that I edit the About Us and Contact Us page, right? But how? It jumps towards that specified page only when I click on that link. For that, you need to click on the master page, having the extension of .master in the Solution Explorer. Just go to it and have a look on its code. You don't see the code in the design option, so click on the source option to see the whole code lines written. Just scroll down the page until you see the About Us and Contact Us written there, and here it is. These pages are written in the list tag having an href property. Now this property helps to give a reference to the address of that page so that if we click on it, we jump to those pages quickly. Now let me re-edit the front heading also by clicking on the default page, and instead of ASP.NET I write it's that easy there. Like it's that easy. Now let us see that our changes work or not by running the page again. You remember we run this by clicking on the debug and start without debugging. So let's do the same. Click on debug and start without debugging. Here it is. Yay, we're done. This is what I do in the default page, and that all the changes are made by heading and description in the About Us and the Contact Us page. So I hope you all guys like this video. I will tell you in detail about the toolbox in my next video, so stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button also and subscribe to my channel. Share this to all.